Hey now, hey, it's me, Tim Tam.
It's me, Nini.
And we are back with another one. We are here to do our review on our wrap snacks. That is the weird item for the week. We got the Rick Ross Plain Jane potato chips and
the Serena honey jalapeno. To wash it down, we have flaming hot Mountain Dew. Let's get into it. I opened up the bag on accident, but we're just gonna start. That one, Mom? 1, 2, 3.
not as much flavor as I thought would be there.
I actually kind of like them because I love plain potato chips. So I'll probably give them like a 10 out of 10.
I would say maybe a 7 because they're not really flavorful. You would think that wrap snacks would be flavorful, right?
The next snack we have is flaming hot Mountain Dew. Let's get into it. Oh.
I hope it gives me some energy and don't make me throw up in a bucket.
I'm so scared.
Go. Oh. What does it smell like? You gotta try to get. You gotta try to get. Oh,
the spice went in my throat.
Oh, Nene had to wash that down with some plain chips. Let me try. Tastes like Mountain Dew. The spice. I need to wash that down with some Sprite.
The next snack we have is Serena's honey jalapeno cheese puffs. Let's get into it.
Is it sweet or spicy? Oh, it's hot.
This is what they look like. What, Mom?
Not yet. You first.
I'm scared. It's gonna be spicy.
Looks like a Cheeto puff. Go.
Oh, it's really sweet. Like honey barbecue.
Oh, baby.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. I like it.
I'm back, y'all. These chips were really spicy.
Zizi really liked the Mountain Dew, but she keeps coughing if you can't hear that in the background.
You guys, Zizi wanted to join us on the last one for dessert. It's a Reese's potato chip big cup. Let's get into it right now.
Right now. I want them.
Here it is. Let's try it. I'm getting the crunch of the potato, but I don't really taste it.
I want some more.
So I changed my mind about not tasting the potato chip because I started tasting some saltiness, but it's really good. I would recommend this. I'll probably do like an 8 out of 10. What about me, Mom? What about you, Mom?
I don't like that I can taste a whole potato chip in the middle of the Reese's. It's weird. But I would give it probably a 6 because of the weirdness, but it's sweet and I like sweet, so it's alright. Comment down below and let us know what you think.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share to all your friends. Stay tuned for next Thursday at 2 p.m. for more snacks.